Hello, welcome all of you in this presentation. I am presenting the topic on CNC technology on the programming. These are the content in syllabus we have to cover already in previous lecture as the CNC technology and CNC tooling. Now the third topic in this unit is the CNC programming. Some of the basic rule we have to follow for performing of CNC programs. The part program is the sequence of instructions which describe the work which has to be done on a part in the form of required by computer under the control of a numerical computer program. Programming is where all the machining data are compiled and where the data are translated into a language which can be understood by the control system of the machine tool. The machining data is as follows. Machining sequence classification of process tool startup point, cutting depth, tool depth, etc. Cutting conditions, spindle speed, feed rate, coolant, etc. Selection of cutting tools. Now while preparing the part program, we need to perform following important steps. Determine the startup procedure, which include the extraction of dimensional data from part drawings, data regarding surface quality requirement on a machine component. Select the tool and determine the tool offsets. Set up zero position of the workpiece. Select the speed and rotation of the spindle. Set up the tool motions according to the profile required. Return the cutting tool to the reference point after completion of work. End the program by stopping the spindle. Okay, so these are the important parameters we have to consider in the performing of part program. Now, the CNC instructions are called part program commands. When running a part program is interpreted one command line at a time until all lines are completed. Commands, which are also referred to as the blocks, are made up of words which each begin with letter address and end with numerical value. So the each block can be made up of using two main letters, one of the G and one of the M. So what are the main of the G letters? G letter is the preparatory functions and M letter is the miscellaneous functions. So what are denote the G letters? The G letters are supposed to denote as the metric mode, absolute versus incremental mode. These are the some machine preparations. And M letter is denotes to perform the machine functions like coolant flow, tool changing, spindle rotation, etc. Some G codes have initial setup and establishing operating conditions. What are the denote N codes? To specify the program line number to executed by the machine control unit. Axis codes X, Y, Z used to specify the motion of slide along the X, Y and Z direction. We have to see in a last lecture what are the directions of X, Y and Z. X direction is to the horizontal sliding of the table. Y direction is to the in and out of the traveling direction of the table, and Z direction is to the travel of table is to the up and down along the column. Feed and speed codes, which can be denoted by capital F and capital S. Tool number can be specified by the number of capital T. And miscellaneous code is M code for coolant control and other activities. Some programming key letters are O. O is denote to the program number. Capital N is the sequence number. Capital G, preparatory function. X, Y and Z is to denote to the X, Y, Z axis designations. Capital R is to the radius designation. Capital F is feed rate designation. Capital S is spindle speed designation. Capital H, tool length offset designation. Capital D is denote tool radius offset designation. Capital T is tool designation, and capital M is miscellaneous function. So all these key letters are to be used in performing of part programming. So the methods of part programming is of two types. It can be made by two techniques. One is the manual part programming, another is the computer aided part programming. First one is the manual part programming. The programmer is first prepare manuscript in a standard format. Manuscript are typed with device is known as flexowriter, which is also used to type the program instructions. So these are the way you can prepare is the manual part programming. Now computer aided part programming is complex shape component requires calculations that to be produced component are done by the programming software contained in the computer. The programmer is communicates in this system through the system language which is based on words. These are developed in automatically various programming languages, the recent past such as APT program tools. The computer aided programming is the translator is known as compiler program. It is used to translate it in a form of acceptable machine control unit. The programmer has to do following main things: define the work part geometry, defining the repetition work, specifying the operation sequence. These are the flow diagram of computer aided part programming. First, you have to read a diagram of with the help of CAD/CAM interface. That diagram can be read. After that, you can set the machining parameter, that is input parameter, like that the tool diameter, feed, speed, spindle rotation in clockwise or anti-clockwise is all input parameter you can set, and after that you can prepare a part programming. The part programming can be arranged sequentially as per your drawing, and that part programming gives the command to the CNC machine or machine control unit. So some important G codes and M codes are used for preparing of part programming like this. We have to see all important G codes. See here, G00 is the rapid traverse, G01 linear interpolation, G02 circular interpolation clockwise, G03 circular interpolation counterclockwise, G17 XY plane selection, G18 XZ plane selection, G19 YZ plane selection, G20 or G70 inch units, G21 or G71 metric units, G40 cutter compensation cancel, G41 cutter compensation to the left, G42 cutter compensation to the right, G43 tool length compensation in plus direction, G44 tool length compensation in minus direction, G49 tool length compensation cancel, G80 cancel can cycles, G81 drilling cycle, G82 counter boring cycle, G83 default drilling cycle, G90 absolute positioning method, and G91 incremental positioning method. So these are the important G codes. Other than this, more of the G codes are available, but we can select only important one. Also we can select one of the important one M codes: M00 program stop, M01 optional program stop, M02 program end, M03 spindle speed or spindle on clockwise direction, M04 spindle is rotated on anti-clockwise direction, M05 spindle stop, M06 tool change, M08 coolant on, M09 coolant off, M10 clamps on, M11 clamps off, M30 program stop, reset or rewinding. So these are the important M codes which are used for control of machining operations. These are the example of block format you can prepare. These are the example of N135, Z01, X1Y1, Z.125 and capital F5. So what are the meaning of that block? N is denote to the sequence number, which is the sequence number is 135. Z01 is the preparatory functions. The movement of the tool in x is 1, y is 1 and z is 0.125 mm, and feed rate is given as the 5. So these are the example of one of the block. So sample block, some important rules are to be followed for preparing this sample block. Restriction on CNC blocks: each may contain only one tool move. Each may contain any number of non-tool move G codes. Each may contain only one feed rate. Each may contain only one specified tool or spindle speed. The block number should be sequential. Both the program start flag and the program number must be independent of all other commands. The data with a block should follow the sequence shown in above sample block. See the common format to be used for preparing of a block. See here one of the example, N50. N50 is denote to the sequence number. Okay, second one G90. G90 is denote to the preparatory function. Z01. Z01 is also the preparatory function. Now next, X 1.40, Y 2.2 and Z is 5. It denotes to the dimensions of words, which is can be denote to the how much dimensions can be traveled by the tool. Feed rate, F10 is denote to the feed rate. S 1600, it can be denote to the spindle function or spindle speed. T01 is denote to the which tool is in action, that is the tool function. M03 is the miscellaneous function.